Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video we'll show you what to do if you keep running into errors while downloading or installing an update on your Windows computer. So to fix this, first open the search menu. Now type services in the box. Now select the first result. In the services window, select any service and press W. Now scroll down and find Windows Update on the list. Right click on this service and select Properties. In this window you'll need to make sure that the startup type is set to automatic. Then click Apply followed by OK. After this, open the Settings app on your computer. Now go to the System tab. On the right hand side, scroll down and select Troubleshoot. Now click on Other Troubleshooters. Here you will see a Windows Update Troubleshooter. Just click the Run button and follow the on-screen prompts to run the troubleshooter. It will automatically find and fix any problems that may be causing the error. After that, after running the tool, simply restart your computer and your issue will be solved. If you continue to experience problems even after this, open the Services app again. Now locate the Windows Update service one more time. Right click on the service and select Stop. This will temporarily halt the service. Now open the File Explorer window on your computer. Now go to the C drive. In this window, double click on the Windows folder. In this menu, locate the Software Distribution folder. Now select all the files and click the trash icon at the top. It will ask you for a permission. Click Continue to confirm and delete the files. After that, go to the Services window again and start the Windows Update service. Now try checking for Windows Update one more time and see if you can install them without facing any problems. If nothing else works, your last option is to scan your computer for corrupt system files. For that, right click on the start icon and select Terminal Admin from the list. Select Yes to open the window. In this window, simply type this command sfc scan now as shown on the screen and hit enter. Now wait for this process to complete and after that simply restart your PC. Once you do all this, your Windows Update problem will be solved and you should be able to download and install them as before. If you have any questions about this, feel free to ask them in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe.